right then. She started as one of the finest talents of her generation. Her ups and downs notwithstanding, and I also mean her weighing scale, what you can't grab from her is the fact that she's an incredible talent and she's here to stay.
And action. Well, welcome to Mona's Coffee with Kavita.
Hi Mona. Oops, sorry, not Mona. Hi Kavita.
So yes, Vishal, as a brother, what's your most treasured childhood memory in regard to Mona?
The most childhood memory is that we all cousins used to prank a lot, and sometimes we had a fights and all that, and she would say like, I'll go in and tell her dad, complain to that, but finally she wouldn't complain like elder sister. She would always say me like I was a bit more naughtier, but still she was really like an elder sister, taking care and very matured, and always she's very caring to even today also.
Okay. Hey Mona, what's up? How are you? Wish you a very happy birthday. The childhood memory what I remember of ours is that whenever you come to visit Mumbai on your vacations, you made us play one game. What was the name? I guess it was Bukhara. Some Bukhara, I don't remember. So hoping to see you soon so we can play the same game again. And one thing I consciously remember is that that I was never aware for a few years that your real name is Kavita. So I could not relate your name Kavita with the personality you carry. So for me you will always be Mona. So be the way you are. I wish you once again a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Next, can you give us a quick childhood memory of hers if you have one?
So Mona and I, we used to stay in a joint family, and we've done everything together as kids. From going to school together, to going for birthday parties, to playing the whole day.
Making a mess of everything basically.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, there are a lot of childhood memories with her, and I cherish every moment.
Super. Well, Mona darling, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a
Hi Mona, you are a very understanding, good-natured and matured person. Be the way you are, that is my advice in a single sentence. You are perfect like this. Happy birthday Mona.
Mona, my memories of Mona are from my childhood days. As I was the eldest among all the cousins, I've seen them all growing up during my school and college times. What I found very unique in Mona was that when she was small, around about 2 years old, when she, before going to sleep or just waking up from her sleep, she used to take this one sari, an old sari, which was her favorite, and she keep that sari here and just be like that stationary. And stationary in the sense she'll be like that for ages, like she'll be like that for almost an hour. So this is something very unique about her. She looked very cute at that time. So that's my very vivid memory of hers, how she was very different from all the cousins in this particular aspect. She looked very cute at that time in that. Of course, she's a father's pet, and she's a very nice, understanding girl. So happy birthday Mona. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Kavita. Nah, you will always be Mona for me. I can never call you Kavita Mona. You will always be Mona for me. And if I have to tell you our most memorable moments, the most fun moments which we had together was in HSBC days. No doubt. Though I know you much before our bank days, but the time which we spent in our bank was the most memorable and the fun time we had. I still remember our lunch times, though we never had got to have our lunches during our lunchtime. It was always during high tea time and all, but our never-ending talks, the help desk, and Mona, do you remember the trip which we went? I think it was MGM if I'm not wrong. After bank thing, that was the first time I ever got to stay with you for so long, and the whole night we had been dancing like crazy. Those were the days, like I cannot forget. We had a great time. There's such lovely memories. I have a lot of memories with you. Going to the beaches, to the Ispani centers, driving woodlands, and lot many. But bank divso Karyash, most memorable moments. And I had a great time, Mona.
Happy birthday, Mona. Here's wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Sorry we couldn't do the whole coffee with Karan on the couch scene. We were completely on time crunch, but we just thought we'll stand here and sing for you now. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mona. Happy birthday to you. Have a great, great, great day. I'm sure this whole video thing is going to surprise you and say it's really put in a lot of hard work and done it. So we're so glad to be a part of it in a small way. But yes, have a great day and we love you. Bye.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mona, and have a fantastic year ahead. Wishing you all the very best in life and may you always get the best in life. The first interaction we had was at HSBC Bank where you joined as a temporary staff and became a permanent staff in the organization. That was because of your sheer hard work and dedication. It was always a pleasure dropping you home and having a good chat about the day's works on a daily basis. The best moments we had with you was at Mumbai at Namrata's wedding. Great times, can never forget those times. All the very best and keep laughing as always, keep smiling as always. It suits you a lot. All the very best.
Hey Mona, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Mona, enjoy your day.
हाय मोना, विशिंग यू वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे मेरी तरफ से, मेरे टैंगो की तरफ से, बड़ी की तरफ से. सोनू घर पे है नहीं, वो बाहर खेलने के लिए गई है. प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज़ मी फॉर द वे आई एम. मैंने अभी क्लास फिनिश की एंड आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी डूइंग दिस फॉर यू स्वीटहार्ट. मतलब गोइंग बैक टू मेमोरी लेन, आई थिंक you and Aarti were my pillar to make me feel comfortable in HSBC. And अगर तुम दोनों नहीं होते तो पता नहीं मैं उस बैंकिंग असिस्टेंट्स जो एटीट्यूड हुआ करता था वहाँ पे कैसे सर्वाइव करती. बट इट वॉज लवली टाइम दैट आई हैड इन HSBC. मैं जब भी HSBC के बारे में सोचती हूँ, सो इट्स ऑलवेज यू एंड आरती हु कम फर्स्ट मेरे आगे. और तो वो जो अपने टांगे हिलाती रहती है खड़े होकर टेबल के पास में एंड कुछ तो कोरियर का बोलती रहेगी, वो मुझे हमेशा याद आता है. तेरे बाल खुले एंड यू विल बी शेकिंग योर लेग एंड स्टैंडिंग. आई जस्ट मिस सो मच बेब्स. बट वो अच्छी यादें, हमारे जवानी के मस्ती सब गायब हो गए फैमिली के इसमें. आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड स्पेशली इन दिस कोविड टाइम. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. विशिंग यू वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल डे. एंड मुझे लगता है ये ज़्यादा अच्छा आइडिया है बिकॉज एटलीस्ट आई एम एबल टू सेंड यू अ वीडियो, वरना ऐसे शायद बात भी नहीं होती. So love you so much babes. I can't explain to you that how much special that time was when I had spent with you guys in HSBC. I love you and Aarti always. मैं तुम्हारे पोस्ट देखती हूँ, हमेशा अपडेट करती रहती हूँ अपने आप को तुम्हारे पोस्ट देखकर. It's just that I don't get time to communicate कि हाय बाय बात किया जाए, but you're always there in my thought. So love you so much. And Aarti, there's a big hug for you also. I hope you're doing fine and सारे टिंगू मिंगू अच्छे हैं घर में. सबको मेरी तरफ से प्यार देना and दोनों enjoy करो. Love you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
So there are so many memories that I have made with Mona and we are still making so many memories together. But the best memory that I can remember from the bank is when we started working together in the bank, and for some reason she became a senior to me And she used to make me do a lot of work, and she used to say, Aarti, get this, Aarti, get that. And I always used to think, iska badla main lungi, ek din zarur lungi. And aaj iska badla pura hua. Today, I make her do all the work, and you guys can see how it.
This is about Mona's most embarrassing moment, where when she was dating Sehul, and I saw them in the car, and I used to be this person who used to put all the girls in trouble, or like all my cousins and my own sister as well. And she was really afraid at that point, and she just ducked for cover, thinking that I wasn't seeing. And as she was tying her shoelace in the car, and I just went and told everyone about it.
Yeah.
Crazy.
ऐसे ही तुम बदे होते रहोगे, हमको इससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी.
Hey Mona, wish you a very very happy birthday. Have a great day and a great year ahead. Love you.
Now I'm also going to go on the topic of Mona being embarrassed. I think she should be embarrassed by the story, especially now if she's listening to it and everyone comes to know about it. From what I can remember, when we were kids, Mona used to have the weirdest falls and the weirdest ways of getting hurt. Like this one time we were playing hide and seek in somebody else's building, and there was construction going on the terrace, and the guy must have dropped a brick. And of all of us, maybe 10 of us playing, it came right on her, it landed right on her. Like who gets hurt like that? Okay, so luckily nothing of course big happened to her. But things like that. Then we played again, I think it was hide and seek in someone's house. She just falls off the stairs and falls right onto this huge glass. It was like a dupling, and she just goes right bang on her face. And she survived it, you know, at least physically she survived it, mentally it's disturbed a little bit. But these are the weirdest ways that Mona has always got hurt. Like she's not grown up saying, you know, I've broken a shoelace and fallen and blah blah blah. She's always had these weird ways of getting hurt. But Mona was that kid who always got hurt doing something silly. Or even if it's not her fault, it's always her who gets into one of those embarrassing accidents. So yeah, I think that is her embarrassing side of accidents.
मेरा नंबर कब आएगा?
What inspires me the most about Mona, I like how she's so calm, and it takes a lot to get her angry or irritated. I've always seen her extremely calm, and that's amazing. It's a quality that I want to get.
Most fun moment with Mona?
Fun moment with Mona is not one. Since we were such close friends in school, so Mona, me and Aarti were these trio who just had fun wherever we went. Whether it was gallivanting in Ispahani Center or watching movies together or just lunch times in school, I've had a lot of fun with Mona, always.
What inspires you most about Mona?
I think what inspires me most about her is her transformation when she got married. Like, I know Mona as this carefree girl who never bothered about, you know, fashion and dressing sense and everything. She just took everything so cool. To today, handling her house so well, to even Sehul's boutique. She tells me she handles customers and everything. I like how she adapted and molded herself. I think that really inspires me a lot.
And Mona's house, any memory attached to it?
I have lots of memories in Mona's house. I love Gujarati food. So all the food I've eaten in your kitchen, Mona, in the island table. And one thing I remember is after every meal, that time, I don't know about now, but she needed that khari bundi with yogurt. And that is my habit even today with you, because of you, Mona. So yeah, that is one memory which cannot leave my mind. I've had lots of beautiful memories in her house.
Hi Fona. So here it goes. What inspires me about Mona is her walk. She's got a very unique walk. You can spot her even when she's 10 miles away. You can really spot her. We make fun of her, we laugh, but she carries it off well. She's very sportive, she doesn't care. And that's what I like about her. So that's what inspires me about her. Her memorable house would be on Poyes Garden Road. We used to go on walks in the evening, on the weekend. We used to walk past Rajnikant and Jayalalitha's house. So I think that's because of that it was quite memorable. So what made her angry about me was, there was one time she really got mad about me and she started shooting questions after questions. She asked me so many questions. And at a point we said, you should have become a detective or a lawyer, because you can really interrogate a person. She can ask you with so many questions if she gets really mad. But I think she does that because she really cares about you. So Mona, wish you a very happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
What inspires me most about Mona? Well, there are three things. First, she's got plenty of patience and I really admire that. Second, she's honest. I mean, I can never doubt any words or any actions of hers. And third, definitely that she's living with you, Sehul. She inspires me.
What inspires me most about Mona is her simplicity, her loyalty, and her straightforwardness. That has always inspired me and it still does.
My next one is this what inspires me about Mona. Actually, not when she was a kid, obviously not, because both of us were mugpots, so I can't say anything inspiring about that. But lately, as time has gone and the kind of things she's been like handling, it's amazing. Like the kind of way she's been handling her house and her what's that, fashion lounge, her work, everything. Like it's amazing the way she does it and putting in, playing the role of the mother and all that effort, etc., etc. Really nice.
Yeah, I think we just want to say that she's the most smiling person that we have met, and she's always remained calm. We were a group of I think 9 or 10 cousins who always met together at our place, and that's the childhood memory we've grown with. 9 of us would be fighting about something or the other on a day-to-day basis, but she was the only one who would put a smile and nothing bothered her, and she would just walk through it like it's a normal day, and she never got affected by anything. She was always the calm, the composed. Sometimes it used to annoy all of us because she's always calm and composed. She's probably what we call the perfect person because she's got all the nice qualities a human being should have. So on that note, we celebrate her birthday, Mona.
मैं जानता हूँ कि
Okay, so on Coffee with Kavita, this is probably my 15th take on the same topic, but I hope it comes out right this time. The question that caught my eye was whether Mona likes sweet or spicy stuff. Because from what I can remember, and it's what we've grown up together, so Mona's menu would go like this. She would have dosa sambar in the morning for breakfast, and she would add ketchup. She would go on to lunch and have rasam rice, and then she would add ketchup. She would go on to her dinner, and there's whatever it is, she would add ketchup. Ketchup had to be part of everything that she ate, and used to her plate would look so weird every time. So yeah, I think that is one of Mona's quirks, and she may not agree with it, but she's definitely a sweet person. Pun intended, both ways, but yeah, she loved her ketchup.
Mona likes sweet or spicy stuff. Neither. I think the correct answer is ketchup. She loves ketchup the most in this world. I think, she can have ketchup with anything. Idli, dosa, khichdi. I think pani puri also she has with ketchup. In a water bottle, she must be carrying ketchup. So I think she drinks more ketchup than she drinks water. Yeah. And, during our college time, I remember there's this song, The Last Ketchup song. Yeah, I think Mona was the secret writer composer for this song. Yeah, through this song she describes her love for ketchup. Yeah, so definitely ketchup is the most important thing for Mona when it comes to food. Yeah.
Hi Mona. I think Mona likes sweet stuff. She's the only person in the gang. Whenever we go out, she'll check the menu from the last. And if the restaurant's serving good desserts, she'll be happy. Otherwise, she's like, oh, it's okay. So she's obviously a sweet person. Bye.
Mona, this is especially for you. I have never done this before, so don't mind it. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार हम ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, Mona. Happy birthday to you, Mona. Happy birthday, dear Mona. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mona. Okay, so about Mona darling, what do you like? Of course, the world knows you like only sweets, desserts, mousse, and whatnot. Brownie, sizzling brownie, and of course, me as usual, I tease you. So, Mona likes sweets, and a birthday wish for you, I would give you a wish. Get a second baby so that you get little like me, fatso. And I wonder, you have a sweet tooth, still you're not fatso. Why? Anyways, have a great day and a great life ahead. Happy birthday.
If you don't know Mona Mommy's name, just call her Chocolate and she'll turn around. Happy birthday, Mona Mommy.
Definitely Mona has a sweet tooth. She loves sweets. And she's called the dessert queen of our kitty. Her lunch or dinner is never complete without a dessert. So just be sweet like this, Mona. Love you.
Does Mona like sweet or spicy? Well, our friendship is a perfect blend of flavors. She likes it sweet and I like it spicy.
Hi Mona, happy birthday. Wishing you a great birthday. I'm sure Sehul, Aarti and your family would have planned lots of things for you. Mona, what do I say about you? We have known each other since 2012. It's been 8 years now, and I can for sure say that you've been a very good friend. You are the most coolest and chilled out person. What Mona loves the best, I think it's her love for desserts. When everybody is more bothered about the main course, she's always, she wants to know what's for the dessert. So she's a dessert person. And Mona, wishing you a great day again. Enjoy. Have the best quarantine birthday.
Is it my turn yet?
Hi Mona.
So Mona likes sweet or spicy stuff?
Sweet or spicy? I think spicy. She's a fake Gigi.
Does Mona like sweet or spicy stuff?
She definitely likes sweet stuff. Spicy stuff is for Sehul. She can't stand spiciness.
Advice to Mona is, please don't listen to Sehul when it comes to drinking. Trust me.
Hi Mona, this is a single line advice for you.
when the going gets tough, we expect Mona to get going. Many happy returns of the day. Have a good day.
Single line advice to you hot pants. Live your life like there is no Sehul in your life. Live your life to the fullest, babe. Keep smiling.
Okay, Vishal. So all said and done, your love for her is amazing. What's your final wish, your advice for Mona, Vishal?
There's no advice for her. Like, she's always good. Always she speaks the truth. No, anything happens, and she's always caring. Only advice is that whatever is that, you please open up and tell and share your problems, whatever you have. I don't want always to keep everything inside in your heart. That's it.
One advice I would like to give Mona is, please learn to say a no, because you never say a no, and I take advantage of you of that and always keep making you do work.
Yes, so Vishal, what's your most favorite travel related memory when it comes to Mona?
Yeah, the most memory is that going to trip to Jaipur holiday, and half an hour back we came to know the tickets were not confirmed. So Dad told, no, you guys be at home and we'll leave. It was really emotional. Then 15 minutes back they call us and says it is confirmed. Please come to the station if you can. So we our driver really rushed. He was really helped us reaching the station. Then just like movies happen, the train started going, and I had to pull Mona and go inside. This was this moment was real memorable moment which I can't forget.
Okay, super Vishal.
Hi Mona, how are you? Happy birthday. Hope you are enjoying your day. I still remember when you used to come to our place for vacations, and whenever asked what you want to eat, you would say, "Mane kachro khavo chhe." You remember? And we always used to laugh at you. And also remember all the shopping we did together for our marriage. We had a great fun at that time. After lockdown, please plan your visit soon over here. We'll have fun together. And always stay as you are. Never change for anyone. Enjoy your lockdown birthday. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Your next question is, do you have any memories with Mona's family?
Yeah, two in fact. One was with her parents, and the other one with her sisters, cousin sisters, I think, yeah. So the one with her parents was when we were, Sehul was meeting them for the first time, and we met them in the Taj Coromandel, yeah. So we go there and greet her parents, and I was sitting next to Mona's dad, and Sehul of course was shy, so he was hardly talking. So I ended up talking a lot to her dad. It went on well, I guess. And when we were headed back home, Mona calls and tells Sehul that all this while my dad thought Sachin was you. So I realized then that Sehul has never met her dad, so he didn't know who Sehul was. Yeah. And the second one with her sisters was when they invited us to Mona's house before wedding. So again, Sehul called me and a couple of friends along. So we went there, and there were also a couple of them, a few Mona's friends and sisters. So we were given these some sweets. Each one was given a different one, and I was sort of wondering, it's weird, why are we all having different sweets? And then I happened to slice open one of the sweets, and I noticed that it was a rasmalai filled with red chili powder inside. So I told Sehul, something's weird, man. They are, serving us some weird stuff. So what do we do? He said, no, just quietly eat it off and then we leave quickly, And I had that sweet, and I was just controlling my tears because it was so spicy. And rasmalai apparently is one of my favorite sweets also. So you can imagine the dilemma.
So a fun moment was when we were at the Delhi airport and we were on our way to Ladakh, Leh, and Sehul wanted to surprise Mona and he kept calling me like, oh yeah, another friend is joining us, and then he's calling us, he's like, I'm standing behind pillar number 17. We were like, where is the pillar number 17? And Mona's restless, she's like, who is this friend who's so stupid? And then we realized that we were at Terminal 1 and Sehul was at Terminal 2 and he was trying to hide from Mona, but then she's smarter than him, she obviously saw him.
I think it's the rain dance party that we had at Sehul's place during our college days. It's one of the most memorable party moment because we all of us were like so excited that girls from Stella and MOP are gonna be attending the party. So it was a great party. We had loads of fun, and I think it's the most memorable party moment that we all have.
There are so many wonderful memories that I share with her that it's difficult to list only a few. Let me try and quickly recount a couple of them. Our epic trips to Bombay and Bangalore. I'm sure you remember the Bombay trip, Mona. It was extremely special. Our breakfast at Woody's, the drives to Mahabalipuram, our spunking college and sitting at Sweet Chariot, our clubbing nights, our games at Presidency, and one particular game I particularly remember was when the two of us were in one team and we actually were playing against these two boys who were playing really well, and we gave them a real run for their money, and everybody who was watching the game, including those two, came and congratulated us for playing so well. We just felt so good about ourselves that day. And also our Dandiya nights, our Dandiya nights. Okay, I don't want to get into the details, you know what I'm talking about. And embarrassing moments, well, we had quite a share of our embarrassing moments as well. And one particular embarrassing moment was, this was during our HR PGDBM course at Loyola, and we were trying and discussing if that particular professor, Priya ma'am, was in fact a part-time professor at MOP, and the two of us were like discussing it quite seriously, and she snuck up behind us and she said, yes, I am her, and the two of us were really embarrassed. So that's one of the many embarrassing things that we've done together.
मेरा नंबर कब आएगा?
हाँ विशाल.
Happy birthday, Mona! Many happy returns of the day. Sehul asked me to have a coffee with Kavita. I'm having coffee with Kavita in between the mountains. I really like this view that I wanted to share with you. I would really love to share one funniest memory with you in college. We wanted to bunk class and go to the movie. Somehow I convinced you, and we went to the second floor. We had to fall. We had to actually jump over the compound wall of college campus and go. Somehow I convinced you, me and Richa, but when we came to the wall and you were like, it's impossible, please, I cannot, and you ran away to the class. It was so funny, and literally it was only me and Richa who went for some term movie. I really miss all the memories. I really cherish them. I really love you, Richa, Pinku, Mona, Harti. You are all my best friends. Happy Friendship Day and happy birthday, Mona, again. Wish we are together again very soon.
Mona is a very simple, down-to-earth girl. A very good friend, starting from school, college, and at work until now. Thanks for being such a good friend, Mona. Fun moments with her, many. Embarrassing moments, I will definitely tell this. It was a day when you, me, and Preeta had gone to Surang. My God, what madness! Anyways, I'm not going to talk about that anymore. And the band trips, you remember, the MGM, the karting and whatnot, the cake cutting at bank and the gym bang and a lunch get together. It was so much fun. I still cherish those moments. And finally, happy birthday to you. Loads of wishes to you. And I wish we all party together soon. Take care. Bye.
One fond memory of Mona and her mom's house is the treasure hunt we played 8 years back. This was a surprise by Sehul to Mona. It's been 8 years and I still have this booklet with me. It was the best treasure hunt I've played till date. I've played so many treasure hunts from the other clubs, but I've not played a treasure hunt like this.
It was truly a very memorable moment. Another one, Mona is one of the most talented, multi-talented friend I have. I know her from more than 18 years now. She takes care of her, of Sehul's boutique so well. She takes care of her mother-in-law's business so well. She takes care of the kids' house. She's truly a very multi-talented friend of mine. Happy birthday, Mona.
Have a wonderful, happy and healthy birthday now and forever. Happy birthday, Mona Bhabhi.
Bye.
Who knows the other version of Mona, the naughty, the crazy one version?
Oh, I so want to know this. I so want to know this. The only reason I'm answering this is that please, Mona, the next time we meet, please let loose and let me know. Why with me? You can just be free and tell me whatever you want and do whatever you want to do. I can keep it.
Okay, you get the job. When has she gotten most angry? Any reasons, any memory?
I think she's angry about Sehul's habits. But apart from that, I think she's angry around Vijay because he annoys her the most. Kidding. But yeah, I think that should be it.
Hey B,
Yeah.
do you know the other version of Mona?
Which version? The one with Sehul or without Sehul? Can't tell all these things on camera. Mona is a very good friend of mine. But all I can tell to Mona is go easy on the shots, Mona.
उठा ले जान पहचान नहीं है कैसे उठाऊंगा कम से कम 40-50 किलो का वजन होगा
Is it my turn yet?
इन दोनों के लफड़े पे मेरे को क्यों फंसा के रखा है उठा ले रे बाबा उठा ले मेरे को नहीं रे इन दोनों को उठा ले
Hi guys, I'd like to tell you about my very close childhood friend. I know her since 2 decades now. Her name is Kavita Shah. We all know her as Mona Darling. I'd like to share a secret about Mona and Sehul. They met in the first year of college through Namrata and me. We all didn't know what was cooking between them then. It's been 1.5 decades now. They both are happily married and blessed with a little boy. Mona, cheers to our friendship. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. God bless you.
Okay, so Nazim, what comes to your mind when you think of Mona?
Okay, the first thing comes to my mind is her unique, funny walk. I'm sure everyone agrees, everyone has seen her walk, right? So when I got introduced to her for the first time, she walked up and she told me hi without even lifting her hand. Only the 4 fingers came out and said hi, and I just had to look for the hand, and I think it's there even now, and that hasn't changed ever. Please change that, Mona.
No, it's nice.
Your next question is, what inspires you most about Mona?
The deadly Mona walk.
In moonwalk?
No, Mona walk. Mona walk is even more deadly than moonwalk. Let me explain. See, someone in the fashion industry told me that catwalk emerged out of the Mona walk. So many of the models were not able to do Mona walk properly. So they had to tone it down to catwalk. That's how catwalk came into being. So yeah, definitely. The deadly Mona walk is the most inspiring thing about Mona.
So Deepal, tell me, who do you think is older, Mona or Sehul?
Obviously Mona.
Why? Because Sehul behaves like a kid or Mona is just mature?
Mona is way mature than Sehul.
2 points to you.
That's an easy one. Of course, Mona is elder than Sehul. That's why Sehul kind of obeys her and listens to her every time and does only whatever she asks him to do. Don't you think so?
Who is elder, Mona or Sehul?
Well, both of them are kiddos, if you ask me. I think Yuvi is the eldest amongst the 3 of them. But yeah, chronologically, Mona is elder to Sehul. I don't know how many people know about it. This was such a big issue during their marriage talks. I still remember Fuaji and Faya getting so zapped. I was also wondering, Sehul, is this going to be okay? But thanks to their courage, a few years later, I followed the same path.
Who's elder, Mona or Sehul?
Who's elder? Well, I think Sehul, before he shaves, is the elder one, and after he shaves, he's the younger one.
And the second question is Sehul or Mona who is older? So Mona is older than Sehul.
Who's older between Mona and Sehul? That's an easy one. Mona is August 83 and Sehul is February 84. So approximately 6 months. Mona is older to Sehul by 6 months.
Guys, I'd like to tell you one more secret about Mona and Sehul. Mona is elder to Sehul.
Okay, so who's older, Sehul or Mona? I think Sehul is obviously older than Mona because Mona is still a kid, and I pray to God that the child in her is always alive and keeps her like this.
What's Mona's nickname called by Sehul?
I don't know this, but I would like to guess. Mona, तुम सोना तो नहीं हो ना? हाँ? No, but on serious note, I think he calls her Babu. But I would really like to know the answer for this.
What's Mona's nickname called by Sehul? Well, Sehul, I really don't care what you call her, but I call her Hot Pants and she knows it why.
So Mona's pet name is Kutu, and
Is it my turn yet?
And finally, Mona's birthday wish. Wishing you a many happy returns of the day, Mona. This year, the COVID year, your birthday is very special and Sehul has really taken the efforts to compile this video for you. Have lots of fun and I hope to see you this year. If not this year, next year for sure. Love you lots, take care and have fun.
Happy birthday, Mona. Wishing you all the happiness in the world, and you're a very, very hard-working person. Please always remain the same and have a great day ahead and a great year ahead.
Hey Preet, next question is, what do you think of Sehul and Mona as a couple?
So Sehul and Mona are the perfect definition of bachpan ka pyar.
Childhood love se.
So you can't really think of one without the other.
I agree, they always remind me of the movie Disney classic Beauty and the Beast. You know, Sehul being an absolute princess beauty and Mona being a beast. All jokes aside, we really love both of you. Some days I love Sehul more, especially at 3 a.m. when I can call him. But Mona, we wanted to take this time to wish you a very happy birthday. We wish we were there to celebrate with you in person. And we look forward to our next reunion, either in India or wherever it may be.
Happy birthday, Mona. Have a great virtual birthday celebration this year. And looking forward to seeing both of you really, really soon.
Cheers,
Happy
guys.
birthday.
Bye. Happy birthday, Mona.
When has she gotten most angry? Any reasons, any memory?
I think she's angry about Sehul's habits. But apart from that, I think she's angry around Vijay because he annoys her the most. Kidding. But yeah, I think that should be it.
Your take on Sehul and Mona as a couple?
I think sweet little hobbits. Okay, sorry, no. I didn't.
Hobbits?
No, but on a serious note, they are the perfect sweet and spicy couple.
Okay, I stopped the camera. Now you say the truth.
That is it.
Mona's actual names.
Does she have actual names?
More than one.
Please. I'm sure on the passport is just Kavita. We all know her by Mona. But apart from that, Shona? I would again like to know that.
Okay, so the hamper goes to...
Me. Waiting for it.
Hi Mona, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Enjoy this day and many, many more to come. Stay blessed and wish all your dreams come true. Love you. Bye.
Oh, hi, Mona. Wishing you a many, many happy returns of the day. So the best memory I have with you is when you had visited Delhi, and when with you I explored a lot of markets and it was awesome fun with you. Hope to see you again soon in Delhi and we go again for a lot of shopping. Wishing you again one more time of many, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great year ahead. See you.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Mona. Hope you enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hey, happy birthday, Mona. Yeah, I'm having a drink on your behalf. Go out, celebrate, and have a great day. And I'm sure whatever Sehul's got planned for you is gonna rock. So, pandemic or not, just have fun, yeah? Enjoy.
This is going down the memory lane when Mona was just 1.5 years old. She had this favorite blanket or shawl of hers which she would never let go of. She used to carry it wherever she used to go, and especially when she used to get up in the morning, she would sit hours cuddling that shawl of hers and just rubbing the corners of it, and she used to keep dreaming, rubbing the corners and literally dreaming to her glory. And we used to really bully her with that shawl of hers. So here's wishing Mona a very, very happy and wonderful birthday. Have a very safe and blessed year ahead. So Mona, just be the way you are, loving, caring and passionate always.
Hi Mona.
Hi Mona, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Wish we could all celebrate together. Have a great day.
And hope you enjoy the surprise. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, Vishal. So all the fun things that you have with Mona, all right. What's your most emotional moment when it comes to Mona? When did you feel the most emotions?
The most emotional moment is like when she introduced to my future brother-in-law, and she was like, and we three really got bonded, and I thought like she will never leave me and go. She was like more like a brother, you know. We should share all the secrets and all that. And the emotional moment is that one day she had to get married, and I was also happy, like, you know, she got married to a good family, and still even today also we three are, you know, having same good bond and enjoying life. And he this is the moment which I have a good emotional moment of my sister.
Hi Mona, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead, and I hope we get to celebrate this together very soon.
Style is a reflection of your attitude and your personality. And it's really true in your case, Mona. I really love the way you dressed.
Happy birthday, Crack.
Happy birthday, Mona Kaki.
Have a great day.
Hey Mona, happy birthday. Have a great day and wish you all the very best. So now the first question is, what is Mona's real name? Which is Kavita Shah. And the second question is Sehul or Mona who is older? So Mona is older than Sehul.
Hi Mona.
So Mona likes sweet or spicy stuff?
Sweet or spicy? I think spicy. She's a fake guju.
Who's elder, Mona or Sehul?
Who's elder? Well, I think Sehul, before he shaves, is the elder one, and after he shaves, he's the younger one.
What's Mona's real name?
Mona's real name? Coffee with Kavita.
Your birthday wish for Mona?
Well, Mona, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope this is going to be the most glamorous birthday. We really miss being with you on this special day and remembering those old times when we would always celebrate it together with free cakes from Hot Breads. But anyways, wishing you all the very best. Have fun. Bye.
Hey Hot Pants, I wish you a happy birthday, and I really hope this year brings you more joy, immense happiness and abundance of success. I love you, babe. Happy birthday.
Many more happy returns of the day, Mona. Wish you a lot of happiness and love on this special day. Love you loads. Take care and stay safe.
Hey Mona, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Enjoy yourself.
So Mona, happy birthday, enjoy your birthday. You know, look forward, you know, have more and more happier birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mona Masi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Mona, wishing you a very happy birthday. We might not be biological sisters, but we've shared giggles, sometimes tears, secrets. We are more like friends than sister-in-laws. Happy birthday.
Mona, I really want you to know that you are very special for me. Though we don't talk or meet often, but what we share is really precious for me. I feel so close and attached to you. We are two different people and we are completely opposite of each other. But what we share is very beautiful and is very rare. I love you and wish you a very happy birthday. I love you lots.
Happy birthday, Mona Priya.
How are you?
Hi.
Okay, now as it's your mama's birthday and your Moni's birthday, Yuvi, can you tell me what you like best about your mama?
I sleep without her. I like her.
Manya, what about you?
I call her Moni and she's my best friend. I love her so much.
Okay. What according to you is your mama's favorite movie?
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Is that right, Manya?
Yeah.
Which is the second favorite movie?
Ye Jawani Ye Deewani.
Okay. Why do you think Mona likes to go for a drive?
Mahabalipuram. ECR.
What according to you is your mama's favorite? Sweet food or spicy food?
Sweet.
One. What according to you is your mama's favorite food?
I think desserts.
Manya, what according to you is Moni's favorite food?
Machas rasam vada.
And
Idli sambar.
Kids, you have any last message for your mama and your Moni?
Yes.
What's your message?
Manaditi, you're my best friend. Don't even shout at me anytime. Be the same. Happy birthday. You are also my best friend. Be the same. Happy birthday.
Okay.
I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama.
Start. Start.
Happy birthday, Mona Chachi.